Hey guys, this is a 2021 RAV4 Toyota hybrid. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. In this particular year, it did come with a factory alarm system. I know previous years in these vehicles, they don't. They must have kicked it up a notch and added the factory alarm system. So basically, yeah, because right now these rims are hot for theft. And besides, if somebody breaks your window, you want to be able to get the alarm to fire off, because from factory, the only way this alarm will fire off is somebody opens the door. But nobody's going to do that. They're either going to break the window and jump in, or leave your car on 4 bricks without having any need to open any of the doors in the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this first tire. Sets off the alarm. Go ahead and rearm it. While we're waiting, when you arm it, factory alarms have a delay. It has a little picture of a little lock in the left-hand side right here. He just tinted his window, so I can't lower it down and show you guys. But once that lock is solid, once it starts flashing, that means it's good and ready for you. So basically, if somebody tries to bust out these lug nut locks, what you may want to do is put 2 or 3 per tire. That would be fantastic. The more banging to remove them, the better off you are, and the shock sensor will appreciate that. So yeah, I'll wait a few seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and bang on this window here to show you guys. You see, yep, it is flashing already. I'm going to go ahead and bang on it. The shock sensor is fully adjustable. You can adjust the sensitivity. Basically, if you live in a main highway like he does, and you don't have your own personal driveway, we don't like to set them too sensitive, because they can give you false triggers, depending on who's driving by in these streets. So, but the good thing is we mount the shock for the average consumer can go back and adjust it. So it's just a matter of just turning a dial a little less or a little more. It's not a big deal. But yeah, that's the story with this vehicle. This is a 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is the shock sensor add-on. We thank you for watching this video.